What?
I was just wondering if it's better to buy full fat meat, ground beef, or low fat,
Like extra lean.
extra lean beef.
Okay, so when you have lots of money, then regular meat, go leaner one.
Okay.
Because the regular grain-fed cow contain more omega-6 than omega-3. So leaner one is better.
Okay.
Okay? But if you have a lot of money, like grass-fed, right? Grass-fed and the grass-finish. Fattiest one, because that's omega-3, good fat. We talk about fish oil, right?
Yeah.
So that's good fat. But what tastes better? The fatty one tastes better. Go fatty one.
Yeah.
If you want to be like 3% body fat, 5% body fat, okay? You want to be like shredded. Leaner one is better because still fat has calorie.
Yeah.
But you want to be look good, feel good, go buy fatty one or cheaper one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, which one is cheaper? Fatty one?
Fatty one usually.
Go buy fatty one.
Yeah.
It tastes better.
Yeah.
And then the Canadian cow is not really bad. So you don't have to really, there's research, grass-fed, grass-finished cow, and then grain-fed cow, there's research. Actually, the grain, I don't know that, I didn't fully read it.
Yeah.
The grain-fed cow, that one improve insulin sensitivity. You know the Wagyu meat,
Yes.
like
Yes.
most expensive meat, super tender.
Yeah.
Wagyu meat is grain-fed. And they're not even exercising. That's totally insulin-resistant cow. You know the healthy animal? Inside the fat cell, inside the muscle, you're not supposed to have a marbling. So one of the worst thing you can do is buy the Wagyu meat. Super expensive,
Yes.
super sick cow.
Yeah. Damn.
He loves
I love
Wagyu.
Wagyu. It's so good.
Well, I mean, it tastes good, and then
tastes good,
I
yeah.
don't think it's too terrible. Then
Yeah.
what is
St.
that?
Louis.
McDonald's or
Yeah.
St. Louis or something like that. So you have a lot of money, okay,
Yeah.
lots of money, too
Yeah.
much money. Then buy Wagyu meat.
Yeah.
But number one, bang your buck,
Yeah.
like your money. You like save money. I like
Yes,
save.
yes.
Number one in Canada, okay, ground meat.
Got me. Yeah.
Why? Because ground meat. Well, ground meat has some soft tissue, some tendon, okay, and there's some little bone, I think. Yeah, it's actually very good for you. Yeah, so a lot of carnitine supplement, and if you eat ground meat is multivitamin.
Yeah.
So go cheaper one, fatty one.
Yeah.
Okay, it tastes better,
Yeah.
and then they'll collect that fat. That's tallow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so collect. And then if
Yeah.
you do fried egg, use that fat. Or if you cook your vegetable, use that. Don't
Like
dump.
put it on the egg you cook and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I don't.
You
even
know,
have
that's
to-
better than butter.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Saturated fats, good for you.
Oh, okay.
Don't use a fake canola oil, vegetable oil. It's bad for you.
Yeah.
So enjoy your, ground meat if you like to eat the fatty meat. Okay? So you want to be healthy.
Yeah.
Okay? You want to be like this. Don't worry about, 90%.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay? Go fatty one.
Yeah.
Enjoy. And then cholesterol is important.
That's true. Yeah.
Testosterone. You like testosterone, right? You need to consume cholesterol.
Yeah. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Sex hormone,
Yeah. Yeah.
fat.
Yeah.
If you are vegan, you don't consume any fat, your liver produce, cholesterol. Because so important for survival.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So good fat is your friend. What is good fat? Like, red meat fat, butter fat, coconut oil. Animal fat is the best fat. And second best is a coconut oil, that kind of olive oil, that kind of thing. It's not better than animal fat.
Okay.
Yeah, the worst fat you want to avoid is a fake, vegetable oil, canola oil, palm oil, like margarine.
Yeah.
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 They are poison.
Okay.
Okay, so is that good?
Yeah.
Ground
Yeah.
meat?
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Enjoy as much as possible, as often as possible. Only thing that's gonna happen is you thrive, happier, more
Yes.
smile, hair grown more, and the skin better, more energy, more muscle,
Yeah.
live longer, smile more. That's gonna happen when you eat more ground meat.
Sounds good.
Cool?
Yeah.